Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete an entire conversation or just a single message on Instagram. So first open your Instagram app and then click on the message icon. First, we will delete a conversation. On the message page, touch and hold the conversation you wish to delete. In the menu, tap delete. Remember that the other person or people in the conversation will still be able to see the messages unless they delete it themselves. Now we will deleting a single message. So first find the message that you want to delete. Press and hold your finger on the message that you want to unsend. When a pop-up menu appears, select the unsend option. Doing this will delete the message for everyone in the conversation. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.